Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mercedes-Benz check engine light is on and your scanner shows engine code P0137, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain what P0137 means, common causes, symptoms you'll notice, and step-by-step fixes. So make sure to watch till the end. P0137 means low voltage detected in the oxygen sensor circuit, specifically bank 1. Sensor to the downstream O2 sensor after the catalytic converter. This sensor monitors exhaust gases and helps teach. You may notice one or more of these symptoms: check engine light on, reduce fuel efficiency, rough idle or unstable engine performance, failed emission test, slight loss of power, sometimes no noticeable driving issue at all. Important, even if the car drives fine, ignoring this code can damage your catalytic converter over time. Here are the most common reasons. 1. Faulty downstream oxygen sensor. 2. Damaged or broken sensor wiring, free, loose, corroded, or wet connector. 4. Exhaust leak near the sensor. 5. Sensor contaminated by oil or coolant. 6. ECU software issue. Mercedes vehicles are very sensitive to voltage changes, so even a small wiring problem can trigger this code. It indicates that there is a fault in the oxygen sensor, located in the bank 1 sensor 2 location of the vehicle. Here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0137 error code. Method A. Paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster.
Perfect.
Method B. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot a leak. First, you get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method C. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0137 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD scanner to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.